Welcome everybody. Hope you are keeping fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine by His grace. Today I have come once again to discuss on right from verb part 2 because in the last class I discussed on the first part of right from verb. So, rule 12. I saw him read. If there are two verbs in a simple sentence, use ing at the end of the second one. So the answer of the following sentence will be I saw him reading. Number 2, I don't want to read this book. The answer of the following question will be I don't want to read this book. Number 3, I got the letter type. If there is got in a sentence, the next verb will be past participle. So the answer will be I got the letter typed. Now, rule 13. 1. You had better to take rest. If there is had better in sentence, just omit to before the verb and use right present tense of verb. So the answer will be you had better take rest. Number 2, I will not let you to leave this classroom. If there is let, you must follow the rule of the previous one, so omit only 2. So the answer will be I will not let you leave the classroom. Number 3, you must respect to teachers. If there is must in sentence, then omit 2 and write the present form of the verb in the bracket. So the answer, you must respect your teachers. Now, rule 14. 1. Would that I see a tiger. If there is would that at the beginning of a sentence, use could after subject. Here I subjects use could after I. So the answer will be would that I could see a tiger. Number 2, would that I be a child again? Follow the previous rule. So the answer will be would that I could be a child again. Now rule 15. 1. He ran away having seen the police. If there is having in a sentence, use past participle the verb into bracket. So the answer will be he ran away having seen the police. Number 2, the work is to be do. If there is to be in a sentence, use past participle the verb into bracket. So the answer will be the work is to be done. Number 3, having finished the work, he left the place. The answer will be having finished the work, he left the place. Here, finished is the past participle form of finish. Now row 16. 1. I went to the library with a view to read there. If there is preposition or prepositional phrase before verb, the verb takes ing after it. Here with a view is a prepositional phrase, so it will be I went to the library with a view to reading there. Use ing after read. Number 2, he never thought of go abroad. Here all is prepositions, so he must use ing after go. So the answer will be he never thought of going abroad. Dear students, now rule 17. 1. It is high time you take proper action. If there is it is time, it is high time, or wish or fancy in sentence. Use past tense in the verb in the bracket. So the answer will be it is high time we took proper action. Here, took is the past tense of take. Number 2, I wish I see you again. Here there is wish, so C will be saw. The answer will be I saw. I wish I saw you again. Now rule 18. 1. I wish I could be a poet. If there is wish and into the bracket, if there is to be will be where. So the answer will be I wish I were a poet. Number 2, he talks as if he to be leader. If there is as if sentence, to be will be where. So he talks as if he were a leader. Number 3, he acts as though he to be hero. If there is as though, to be will be where. So the answer will be he acts as though he were a hero. Now roll 19. 1. He speaks as though he understands everything. If there has been a sentence and there are principal verb, it will be if there is and before as though. If there is present tense, the verb of the into the bracket will be past tense. So the answer will be he speaks as though he understood everything. Here understood is the past tense of understand. Number 2, he spoke as if I not here. If there is if and before if there is past tense, after if there, it will be past perfect tense. So the answer will be she spoke as if I had not heard. Here had heard is past perfect tense. Number 3, he behaves as if he knew everything. Here before as if there is present tense, so after as it will be past tense. So the answer will be he behaves as if he knew everything. Here knew is the past tense of know. Now rule 20. One of the boys be absent yesterday. If there is one of in a sentence, the verb will be single number. So the answer will be one of the boys was absent yesterday. Number 2, everybody or everyone want peace. If there is everybody, everyone, or everyone is single number, so the verb is singular, so add s after want. So the answer will be everybody or everyone wants peace. Now rule 21. 1. You may meet me tomorrow. If there is may, might, shall, should, will, would, can, could, must, or any other modal verbs, the verb into the bracket will be present tense. So the answer will be you may meet me tomorrow. Number 2, I can draw picture. I can modal verb, so the answer will be I can draw picture. Now rule 22. 1. He said that he go home the next day. Here that is conjunction if there is past tense before that, and after that there will be the indication of future, next day, next week, next month. Use would before verb. So the answer will be he said that he would go home the next day. Number 2, he told me that I do the work the next week. So follow the previous rule. I told him that I would do the work the next week. The students, now individual work. Here there are 5 sentences for you. Rewrite the following sentences. 1. We should do our duty. Number 2. Everybody love flowers. Number 3. It is high time you return home. 4. I look forward to meet you. 5. I saw him play. Now take your pen and paper and answer the question of the following sentences or match you answer with me. 1. We should do our duty. Here should is modal verb to use present tense of verb into bracket. Number 2. Everybody loves flower. Here everybody single numbers use as after verb love. 3. It is high time we return home. After high time, the verb will be past tense. 4. I look forward to meeting you. Here, look forward to preposition phrase. So use ing after meeting. Number 5. I saw him play. Here, there are two verbs in a single sentence. One is saw, another plays. Use ing. Just one. Now, homework. Read the following sentences. 1. He found me read. Number 2. It might rain today. Number 3. I wish I could be a bird. 4. You had better go home. Number 5. Would you mind have a cup of tea? Do them at home and use your text guide to follow the rules. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you so much for joining with me. We shall meet once again in my next class, especially on Saturday. Till then, Allah Hafiz.